Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to take you through the steps of automatic saving attachments from your Outlook to OneDrive. So in organizations we have various policies related to email retention. So based on that we put litigation hold and all other sort of things in order to retrieve and back up our data. But in this method, I'm going to show you where you can use Microsoft Flow to automatically back up any attachment that you receive in your OneDrive. So you can always open your OneDrive and access the attachments. So in other terms, this is like backing up your email attachments in your OneDrive. So in front of you, I've already created a flow, and as you see, it has been successful also. So how it actually works, I'm going to show you. So let me go to the edit flow. So the first trigger is gonna be when a new email arrives. But I definitely am gonna put some conditions here that when exactly it should be picked for the flow, because not all emails I receive carries an attachment. So why should I run run this flow for every email? No, I should only run when an email contains an attachment. So here in this condition I have put has attachment equal to yes. If you wanna have anything else, like if you wanna put some filter for subject, something CC, or probably you wanna do it from a particular email address, then you can put those filters here based on your requirements. Now apply to each. So here what I have done, apply to each means like one particular email can have multiple attachments. So you see these attachments I'm picking up from when a new email arrives. So for each one, what I'm gonna do, I have two actions. First is to get attachment. So in order to get attachment, I should get the message ID. So I have picked up message ID, and I should also get the attachment ID. So that also I'm getting here. Attachment ID. So particular attachment for which this loop is in progress. Then you can select in which folder you like to take a you want to save the files, and then file names again I have saved to attachment names, attachment name, and here the content. So from get attachment, here you can take the body of that content, so that I'm putting here, and that's it. When it runs, it automatically saves attachments files to the folder. You can always change this path, like if you want to create a particular folder, let's say Outlook attachment, you can always create that in your OneDrive, and that you can link over here. So this is how it works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.